देख पीछे देख, क्लीन एंड क्लियर। हम लोग का टेंट का इधर भी क्लीन एंड क्लियर ही है।
ये टेंट भी मस्त है यार, ऐसे टेंट रहना है।
चारों तरफ घुमा के देख लो। इट्स ऑल सिक्योर्ड। जॉइंट इज, व्हाट अबाउट द जॉइंट ब्रो? जॉइंट इज रोल्ड और व्हाट?
नो बनाने का, दो बनाया था, दो फूक लिया। गिव मी स्टफ लिटिल बिट, क्रश करता हूँ।
Oh हाँ, stuff is not here. There is no dearth of light.
एब्सोल्युटली नॉट। मोमबत्ती चाहिए?
सेम तू जो लाया था।
दिखाना पड़ेगा। ग्रीन स्टफ ब्रो।
लौड़ा बोलेगी, कुछ हो ही नहीं रहा उससे। बस बस बस, उतना ही, उतना काफी है।
पूरा क्रश करके पाउडर फिर जब जब
एक ही बना, हम लोग दोनों मिलकर मारेंगे बस। अच्छा ठीक है, तू अगर पूरा एक्सेप्ट करना चाहता है तो
नहीं, मैं बोलूँ क्रश करके रख देंगे ना पूरा। ऑल वी हैव टू मेक अ जॉइंट, दैट्स इट। एक साथ सारे काम हो
नहीं
जाएंगे।
नहीं नहीं नहीं, छोड़ दे छोड़ दे छोड़ दे। तो जितना क्रश करेगा उतना पीने की इच्छा होगा। स्मोक इज गोइंग एवरीवेयर ब्रो। हाउ कम द विंड इज ब्लोइंग एवरीवेयर इट सीम्स?
डायगोनल।
Why? The God's creation is different. Why? Whatever we can capture through our eyes,
Bro,
even in this dark,
Huh?
camera can't.
Yes.
We need a high lens or a high-end camera for that.
कीड़ा एक आ रहा है लेकिन वो won't come close, I believe. भाग रहा है वापस।
Hey, I found few spiders as well, but they were not.
Are they crawling or are they creating webs?
No, they were crawling and they didn't look like any special one.
कहाँ पे थे?
वो
जमीन
जंगल में, हाँ उधर से आ रहा था
और
जब
पेड़ में?
वो देखिए वो क्या कीड़ा है भाई।
कीड़ा ना?
हाँ,
भाग रहा है उस तरफ अभी।
थोड़ा उसको हका लो उधर से। But how's the fire? Fire is awesome, huh?
Sexy. He's the god for the night. He's a protector for the night.
Yes.
They wouldn't have been here. Our asses would have been at risk.
Really, bro, too dark.
Yeah, man. Pitch dark.
The bike was there, our phone is there, but still,
Must
fire
not.
is required. Yeah.
Fire creates the heat which keeps the things away. This heat is there
Hey, I'm
under.
trying to look for the alligators, bro. I don't see any alligators.
Oh, there won't be any, man.
But
There
if
would
there
have
is a
been.
big croc,
If there would have been, by now it would have been news because there are so many people pass by through, right?
but if that alligator is a very clever one who is hiding there since ages, hardly comes out and comes out only when
If that
he knows
happens,
there is
they'll
no one
accept
else.
as my fate that I'm gonna die. What else can I do? I'll try running away if it gets
Bro, can we fight him?
We
Him
can
or
do
her?
that, but I don't
How?
want to be handicapped.
I will either die trying.
If I know if my one of the limb is gonna go, I'm gonna die. I'll make sure that thing dies and I'll die. Kill myself. No point of living in a handicapped life, bro. That's the most life imprisonment you can get.
Bro, if we are handicapped, we can participate in Paralympics.
Nah, one arm I'll do boxing.
Who said that handicapped means your hand is going to go, or the alligator is going to take away one of your hand?
If any of the part gets.
It might take your dick as well, bro.
Decapitated.
It might take your dick as well. You are still handicapped.
Yeah, you think you're gonna.
Handicapped doesn't mean your hand would go.
Yeah, I'm
Leg.
saying any part.
There is nothing called leggy capped or dicky capped.
Okay,
There's
one thing
all
is secret.
handicapped. Huh?
Give me cigarette, bro.
Hey, all this crap is going to get recorded, man.
Are you recording it?
The video is on, fucker.
Oh. You didn't tell me that. Peace.
Who's gonna see it? Only we.
Yeah.
My things never go
Good.
on air like
Appreciate
Danny's.
it. I really appreciate it, bro. Thank you.
Oof. Really appreciate it. Hey, everything is ash, man, now. We need to put more logs.
Please continue. Do the honor. Let me make the sound.
You have got most of the logs. And only put little bit from here, few from here, few from here. ये logs चाहिए भाई, नहीं तो पूरा ऐश हो जाएगा तो चाप है. Then we won't be able to.
I'm giving you as many as I have.
Okay, cool.
Try to keep it alive. Join one second and we'll do the researching of them.
Will again go for log hunt, huh?
Yeah.
I've given enough twigs. ए तू ज्वाइन बना जल्दी से, ताकि मैं इसको ऑफ करके उसके ऊपर पूरा ध्यान दे सकूं.
काम कर. Give me that thing. Bro, मेरे को जॉब आने के बाद we'll go on a weekend trip to Pune.
Why Pune? We'll find out this
Or we'll Mumbai.
next month only.
Mumbai.
I'll tell you. We'll go to a nearby place, 150 kilometers from here.
Dude, here
Near Warangal,
Adilabad
bro.
forest.
Near Warangal, bro. I'll tell you a nice place. Laknavaram or something.
Oh yeah, Lucknow. Yeah, I need to.
100.
300 kilometers it is.
Bro, only 150 kilometers.
Oh yeah,
bro.
150.
We'll go and there's a resort. We'll stay there for one night and we'll come back.
Bro, actually, you haven't experienced living in a tent, like spending entire night without any worries and rest, with a peace of mind. Happens in Pune.
That only happens in Pune, and
We
another
can
place
plan
is
it.
Gandikota.
In Gandikota, yes. Gandikota we can plan.
Again we can go because last time it was not that good.
Staying in the room was the fuck up.
We got very less time.
This time
Actually.
plan on a month mid, bro, when it's full moon. And from that height, full moon, fucking. You have no idea, bro. It's gonna be crazy awesome. It's a temple you can roam everywhere. With moonlight.
Enough to let's see what happens.
Oh, bro, that abhi baki hai. Do you need a lighter?
Huh?
Lighter.
Later I gave it to you, Papa. Though I have a nice box, but still I gave it to you. Join mat gira.